I'm Isaiah Starr, and I'm a line welder here at GEN-Y Hitch. A typical day for me, production starts around 5 a.m. sharp, reading blueprints, always doing new prototypes, doing custom hitches, and then sometimes we'll do higher products like our executives and our pin boxes. So I attended Bremen High School. They really push Elkhart Career Center, and I learned about that really quickly, and I was able to apply and get in. I took the welding technology program at EACC, and they give you a wide variety of information on all your different trades. Like for me, it was stick, TIG, and MIG, which are the three main types of welding. And I was able to pick and choose and kind of create my own pathway. We do mock interviews, and I was fortunate enough to get an interview with GEN-Y, and that kind of put my foot in the door for what's yet to come. At EACC, we do a great job on getting into new groups every week, working with different people, and finding the importance of teamwork. That helped me come in here, meeting all the new guys, all these new faces, and they prepared me perfectly for it. I've been able to achieve more in these past 2 years than I thought I would achieve in 10 or 20 years. When I first started here, I started basically at the bottom of the totem pole, and just in these 2 years, I've been able to grow immensely. I've been getting pay bumps, promotions, and now I'm learning how to program and code robots for welding. I didn't know how much I would love it until I actually started it. The Elkhart Career Center, it's given me a lot of confidence. It makes it known that you can do this and you can definitely make a career, and they just make it super easy for you to get your foot in the door.